What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Jacob Zuma wanted to visit the Bapedi Queen, and there was a serious communication breakdown. What happened is that his team was actually communicating with the royal family, but the Secretary General of MK Party, Floyd Shivambu, knew absolutely nothing about this event. And Jacob Zuma actually finally went to see the Queen without Floyd Shivambu knowing about it. But the disaster that happened is that Jacob Zuma arrived late and he didn't manage to see the Bapedi Queen.
MK approached the kingdom to say President Zuma wants to visit the Queen. The unfortunate part was their organizing, because the kingdom was called by many people, from their office. So there wasn't really a center that was holding. I personally picked up the phone and called the SG of MK, Floyd. I say, Floyd, I'm hearing that the former president wants to visit the kingdom to come and see the Queen. He says to me, look, I last heard the president saying he wants to come, but I wasn't aware that he has concluded that he wants to come. I said, no, but there's a date that they say he wants to come on the 5th. As he said, no, I'm not aware.
That's the 5th of June.
So when it comes to that visit of the Bapedi Queen, you can clearly see that it was Duduzile Zuma who was communicating with the royal family, and Floyd Shivambu knew nothing about it. So when it comes to MK Party, it's Duduzile Zuma who will be running these things. Now from this chaos, we can clearly see that Floyd Shivambu is sort of like being sidelined inside the MK Party. Right now, they are opening a head office in Johannesburg, but it seems as if this head office in itself, it might not be of any use at all, because Jacob Zuma would be at his homestead in Nkandla, and he might not find time to go to that office in Johannesburg. So everything is going to be centered at Nkandla, not at Johannesburg, where Floyd Shivambu is going to be situated at. This in itself, it is going to bring regret to Floyd Shivambu, because he might not be of use as he thought he's going to be with all of his intellectual and all of his education that he has. It's not going to be valued at MK Party, and he's going to regret leaving the EFF for the MK Party, because at first it sounded as if he had made a smart move, but as time is going on, we can clearly see that Floyd Shivambu made a serious blunder here.